Now part C is about the acceleration. So what's the acceleration is a derivative of the velocity. So if you have the displacement, if you want to find the velocity, you have to differentiate, and if you differentiate the velocity, you will get the acceleration. And if you want to go in the reverse direction, you have to use integration. If you integrate acceleration, you will get the velocity, and if you get the integration of the velocity, you will get the displacement. So let's apply the formula. An object has a displacement function. Here's the displacement function is given. Show that the object is initially at the origin. So what we need to do at time 0, we just need to check it's 0 minus ln1, which ln1 is 0, which will be 0, so it's at the origin. Part B, find the velocity function. So we have to take the derivative of this function. It will be 1 minus 2 by 2t plus 1, so actually we can write it 2t minus 1 as 2t plus 1 if we combine them. And over what time interval is the object is moving to the right and to the left, so it depends. Okay, we have to calculate the inequality. So when numerator, I have to find the root mainly of the numerator when this one is positive and when it's negative. So when it's t equals to 1 by 2, so if I draw the sign diagram again, 1 by 2, so here I can see that when it's smaller than 1 by 2, between 0, okay, the time between 0 and 1 by 2, we will have negative, and when we have more than, it's positive. So what does it mean? Between 0 and 1 by 2, you're moving to the left, and more than 1 by 2, you're moving to the right, the time, of course. And we discussed with C this one, and D show that the object's acceleration is positive. So again, the double derivative of the displacement should give me the acceleration. Okay, let's not go from here. Let's take the derivative of this part because it's more easier. So what will be, if you take the derivative, it will be 4 by 2t plus 1 to the power 2. As you can see, whatever you put instead of t, it will be always positive. So yeah, your acceleration is always positive. E, find the acceleration of the object after 2 seconds. We just need to put 2 instead of t. So what it will be, 4 by 25, the acceleration after 2 seconds. Find the distance traveled by the object in the first 2 seconds. So here you have 2 ways. Either you can use the calculator with integration with the absolute value between 0 and 2. Integration of what? What was the velocity? 2t minus 1 divided by 2t plus 1. It's a one way to do it. If you do it, the result is, if I'm not mistaken, I did calculate with calculator, 0.777, approximately 0.777 with calculator, or you can go with the displacement. Just draw the motion diagram. You start the origin. Okay, not good line. You start at the origin, right? And why it's right? Okay, we start inside the origin. First, move to the left. We move to the left at t 1 by 2. Then we change direction till time 2. You just need to find a displacement at this point, whatever it is, and add here, and you just need to add them up. What's the total distance? The total distance must be again the same.